Draymond Green might be the favorite, but there is one player who is chasing and making history who might steal the Defensive Player of the Year award. No? Dyson Daniels. He's averaging 3 steals a game this season. No one has done that since 1991, when the all-time leader in steals, Alvin Robertson, averaged 3.04 per game. Daniels has 223 steals this season. He joins Allen Iverson and Chris Paul as the only player since 2000 who has more than 200 steals in a season. With 3 more games to go and with 4 more steals, he will have the highest steals output since John Stockton in 1992. The only thing hurting his chances of winning Defensive Player of the Year, his team Atlanta Hawks ranks 19th in defensive efficiency. Ang baba. Sila Green, sila Lu Dort, Evan Mobley, their teams rank top 10 sa defensive rating. Still, my Defensive Player of the Year is Dyson Daniels. Ikaw ba?